welcome back to another episode of Eagle's Kitchen. I'm your host, Dante Williams, and today we're going to be showing you my mom's secret family recipe. This is personally my favorite recipe, and I think if you try it, it'll become your favorite too. My mom's famous Dorito Delight recipe. Now, let me show you how it's done.
These are the ingredients we will be using for our Dorito Delight. Everything you see here will be listed in the description below. Only thing missing from this photo is a can of cream of chicken. Okay, we fast forwarded browning the meat and degreasing it. If you would like to see the whole process, please comment below and we will update the video. Again, we browned 3 pounds of ground meat to fully cook. We added 1 whole onion chopped, then we added 4 tablespoons of diced jalapeno peppers. Don't be alarmed, the diced peppers in the jar gives it color and flavor with minimal heat. Mix it together. We then add our seasoning, about 1 tablespoon of salt, black pepper, and Toni seasonings. Mix well. Add 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Now add 2 cans of cream of chicken. We also add 1 can of water to soften the cream soups. Now we mix it all together. At this time, we're pretty much done with our soups. Now's the time to take a taste test to see if you need more seasoning. Season to your preference, however you like it. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Stir occasionally to make sure nothing sticks or burns. It's almost serving time. Now stir in your bag of Doritos. To complete our Dorito Delight, we add some cheese. We're using about half a bag of shredded cheese. I wish you were here to smell this cooking. Yes, I'm sure this is gonna be your favorite. Don't forget the rice to go with it.
Don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you try this recipe, comment down below what you think. Until next time, it's your turn to try.